everybody, and welcome to the Quadcopter Review. It's your host, Pepe Prawns, and today is July 31st, 2018, and we are here today to make the drawing for our FatShark Dominator giveaway for July. So what we do, if you haven't seen it before, is we're going to take our URL. We are going to put it in our random YouTube picker and see how many comments we have. Now, after the drawing, if you've lost, I am really sorry. I wish I could give everybody a set of goggles, but without any kind of sponsors here, it's very expensive, and I can only do so much, gang. But I would really appreciate it if you stick around, because there will be more giveaways, usually 1 to 2 every month, and plenty of content coming your way. So I believe it's well worth it. Put a lot of effort in this, and I hope you think it's worth it too, and you stick around. But let's go ahead and push the button and see who the lucky winner of these goggles is going to be. Round and round she goes. I got a Benjamin West. As you do or do not know, as I said, you must be a subscriber, so we're going to smash the button for Benjamin West. We're going to come over here. We're going to take a look at what he's got. So we need to see what subscriptions he's a part of here. And there we are. So we have an official winner, Benjamin West. So, Mr. West, please make a comment on this video down below so I can get a hold of you. That's the best way for me to know it's you here for real. And we'll get connected there, and I'll tell you how to reach me. And we will arrange getting these suckers shipped off to you. So, everybody congratulate Benjamin. Great win for him. And up next today, I will be doing the giveaway of that CyroFlow mini action cam for quads. So, stay tuned for that today. And stay tuned, and please, again, stay subscribed to the channel for more giveaways coming. I've already announced the first August giveaway for August 31st, and that's going to be the Fly Sky Nirvana radio from Underground FPV. So check out that video and make sure you get yourself entered. And as always, please like, subscribe, put it on your social networking, do everything you can to help promote our channel and keep this alive. Once again, guys, happy flying.